know how to conceal that pesky spot that just won't go away? Well, the answer might surprise you. It's not actually by using a lighter concealer. So if you've been following me, you know that light comes forward and dark recedes. That is the premise of highlighting and contouring our face. So that same premise applies even if we're concealing zits. So if we want that zit to recede and go away, we're gonna actually choose a darker color instead of a lighter color. I know it seems counterintuitive, but just remember, light comes forward, dark recedes. So in my palette, I have 3 colors. This is my camouflage shade. This is my main highlight shade. So this is gonna actually match the majority of my skin tone. And this is my pop highlight. I'm gonna use a very tiny brush and actually dip into my camouflage shade, which is the darkest of the highlight shades. Then I'm gonna go in and dot it over the area that I want concealed. That way, it's receding to the background and it is not coming forward. Light can accentuate texture and definitely make things come into the foreground. So while you might not be able to see that zit, you're still gonna see it. Try using a darker color. If you want, you can do this first prior to applying your foundation. Either way, you wanna choose a darker color. If you need help picking yours, DM me.